What does Filipino pride mean to you? What does Filipino pride mean to you?
What does Philippine pride mean to you? I believe that Philippine pride means our cultures and tradition. I am a cultural ambassador of my province, a cultural dancer of the scenic Palawan dance troupe, and I believe that by performing our dances, we are not just performing our movements, we are performing the history of our traditions and culture that our ancestors have given us up to this day. And I believe that culture is not just what we inherit, it is what we choose to protect. And this festival, this Strasbourg Festival 2025 is a living representation of how we celebrate our cultures and traditions. Because in that way, we can be able to celebrate, to unite, and not oppress our cultures and tradition. Because our culture should be prioritized and should be protected rather. Because we are living in this interconnected world where culture and tradition are not just, or have been being forgotten for most people. And as a cultural ambassador, it is my duties and responsibilities to promote our cultural traditions through dances and performing. Because if we perform our traditions while transforming it for people who have may forgotten its value, can appreciate it once again. Because I believe that our tradition carries our stories, and our tradition gives us roots, and transformation gives us wings. And together, they let us, our culture soar across generations. Thank you.